I am really ashamed to live in the state of Michigan at the moment. Apparently, the male-dominated Republican Senate of Michigan has decided to try to pass a bill basically telling women that they need to get rape insurance, essentially telling them that since they're a woman, they should anticipate getting raped or getting their body assaulted, therefore they should buy a separate insurance in order to cover that potential situation. In other words, also, women who have already been raped and get pregnant from this rape should have bought rape insurance in the first place and should have planned out that this was going to happen to them. Michigan Senate Republicans, what the fuck is the matter with you? Like, seriously, have you gone batshit crazy? Do you know what rape is? Do you have any idea what rape is? So you're basically telling women, you should expect to get raped because you're a woman, so you better go out and get some insurance. Go buy some insurance for it, you know, that way you're covered if that happens. That's complete bullshit. It's twat wafflery beyond the damn fells of Everest. And then we have the Republican Party wondering why they don't have many female voters. Duh, when you were trying to pass rape insurance legislation, are you surprised at this fact? Like, seriously, are you not mind-boggled by your own stupid legislation? Do you want to know what rape is? It's devaluing a person and taking their power away by placing your power on them. Subtly, Senate Republicans, you are raping the women of this state of their right to be protected by our state. And frankly, us voters are partially to blame for electing you batshit fucks. So, fellow Michigan voters, when we go back to the polls, we need to seriously do some reassessment, because this is not going to work. If we're going to allow people who are willing to enact legislation, potential legislation, that requires women to have to go get insurance and anticipate that they're going to get raped, there's something wrong. There's something drastically wrong. We need to fix this, and we need to change it now.